Okay, today we're going to be, I picked this little kit up here from Harbor Freight. It's a lens cleaning kit. And says you got 4 easy steps: mask, sand, refine, polish. So we should be able to do all that. I have read the what's included in the kit. You got your masking tape here. Then you got sandpaper. You got 3 different sizes of sandpaper, and then you got some polish. So I got my old wood truck is got some lenses. Actually, my other truck does too. I'm gonna try it on my other truck. What we need is a drill and a spray bottle of water and a detailing cloth. I just got water in this. It might have a little bit of wax left in it. That'll help as a lubricant for when we sand though. So it's been a while since I've made a video. It's been hot here in Georgia. Been kind of dealing with life and death too. So let's get started back making some videos, and we're gonna take this kit out here and see how it does. For I think I paid $13.98 for it. So if you're inside track, remember you can get it cheaper. But anyway, let's take it out here and see what we can do. Okay, I was read the instructions here. Basically, you start with your 500 grit sandpaper, move up to 800, and then you move up to this really fine, and then at the end you polish. But first we need to mask it off. I'll show you what I'm dealing with here. This was not quite as bad as the other side on my old truck. Here's the other side. You can tell it's kind of messed up, but let's tape it up. Well, first we're going to clean it. We're going to clean the area, and then we're going to mask it off. I'm just using some glass cleaner to clean the area with here. Get as much off of it as we can to start with. It's got like some mold or something on it. Okay, now we're ready to mask. Okay, we got it all masked up now. We're going to put our supplied pad here that goes into your drill. And we're going to start off with the 500 grit sandpaper. You go from small to big. The higher the number, the finer the sandpaper is. So we're going to start off with 600 or with 500 here. Okay, we got it all masked off. We're going to start off with the first one, and don't forget to wet your surface down. Starts getting a little dry, spray it back down again. Go over it one more time here. before we change to our other sandpaper. Okay, now we're going to want to clean this area before we swap sandpaper. We're going to put our 800 grit on here and do it again. Now this is throwing stuff up on the paint of the truck, so you're going to have to wash your truck after you get done in the car, whichever one you're going to do. I'm putting medium to light pressure on this. And every once in a while I'll stop and like spray off the sandpaper to get some of that out of the grit, you know. Okay, let's clean it off and see what it looks like. Of course, we got a few more steps to go. It's starting to look better. It's still got some stuff like right here. You can see that. But let's move on to the next step. Okay, the next pad is this really fine, the finest of the sandpaper, and then after this we will go to the polish. Okay, the next step is polish. I just don't think it's going to take that out. That might be on the inside. Of course, we might come back and try this little area right here again. I mean, it is a big difference so far, but we still got one more step. Okay, now we have the little buffing pad on here. And we're going to polish it now. Okay, there is the results. It's not perfect. There's some of this looks like it might be on the inside. Of course, I may come back and try to sand some of this out. I can feel some stuff there, so I may come back and try to put one of those sanding pads on and sand and try that again. But it definitely is a lot better than it was. Okay, here is the end result. It still does have a little bit here. I mean, these headlights this is an 04 truck, so they're over 20 years old. I could probably go over this again, do the process again, and get it better. But I think what I'm gonna do is this is this old truck that I hunt and cut firewood in, and I think I'm just gonna put some wax on them now and let it go. I gotta finish this one up, but it is making a big difference. Thanks for watching.